Okay, hi everybody. I'm gonna make two videos for you, for one of Lovegood and one of the my Hazel site of $25. So be patient with me. So please do not scroll away because I have big news for you. So I'm a mom. I'm in my 40s and I learned how to work online, and that's one thing what not everybody can do. But you know, as the best part is that I learn every day how to do this, how to talk, how to almost say how to walk. I will learn how to speak to people, come out of my comfort zone and tell people what I'm doing and how I'm doing. And the best part is I'm learning how to do stuff I never did in my whole life. I was always scared to talk to people on TikTok because I see what happened on TikTok, how people judging people, how people, the words they say, you're doing scams and all that stuff. I was always like scared of that. But do you know what? I'm not. I have a project of $25. You don't sell anything. You just take your mouth and you talk to people and say, "Hi guys, my name is Celeste. I have a Hazel site what work for you for 500 Rand. And this 500 Rand you need 2 people. And then you make $50. And when that 2 people talk to 4 people, and that 4 people talk to 8 people, and that 8 people talking to 16 people, and it go on and on and on. My son is looking at me. There's spoolovers and bonuses and the works. I have a team leader who making, I think, $60,000 or $6,000. Guys, so much, she makes so much money. I cannot say. That's incredible what she's doing. What you get in this whole project? Okay, you're getting a Facebook community what is going with you 24 hours. When you ask questions, they help you. You're getting live Greg and Joshua what help you to learn. Greg help you every Wednesday. All the newbies, they take step by step